So you've ordered your flooring and you're preparing for your flooring to arrive. What do we need to take care of before we get started? My name is Britta. I'm a co-founder here at Steller Floors, where we make incredible hardwood floors, and I can't wait to help you get started on your flooring project. The first step is definitely to bring your materials inside and inspect them. No matter which flooring supplier you choose, there can be damage during shipping and there can be damage from the manufacturer. So definitely make sure that those materials are coming inside and being inspected as soon as they're delivered. If you've ordered a Steller floor and you have a humidity in your space that's drier than about 30% humidity, you're going to want to acclimate your flooring. We manufacture our flooring under climate control to match about 30 to 50% RH. So if you deviate from that, it's definitely worth making sure that the plastic packaging is taken off the floor and those boards are exposed to air. So you may need to sticker them. And we are happy to explain that process to you. So definitely don't hesitate to reach out and we can talk to you about acclimating your floor to drier conditions. It's good to consider that a Steller floor can go in at a different time than a traditional hardwood floor. Especially in new builds, folks are trying to put their flooring in really early, like pretty much as soon as the house envelope is closed. So what they'll do is they'll install the floor, maybe even finish it during that stage, and then put down ram board to protect it. In our case, a Steller floor can go in right before the furniture. Even if you wanted to hang trim on the wall, you could actually hang it 3/4 of an inch off the floor. That means you save money on ram board because you won't need it. It also means that you can really get close to finalizing your project and have more time before your flooring is delivered. Once your flooring is inside and you're ready to install it, make sure that you're pretty organized. Steller floors install so fast that in our experience, the major slowdown is air traffic control. Because people get so excited about how fast it's going in, a lot of people want to take the plank and run into the room, install it, and then run back and get more planks. We generally recommend a more organized approach where if you have multiple people involved, you're making sure to have somebody in the room installing and somebody who's actually bussing materials in so that you don't get stuck in the doorways moving too quickly. Having a friend help is always beneficial because then you can definitely be closer to the ground and they can hand you planks so that you can install them as quickly as you can. So now that you've received your floor, you can definitely reach out to us here at Steller Floors and get a pre-installation Zoom call. We are happy to discuss with you how to get started, to be moving quickly, and make sure that all those final touches are taken care of. That's a little bit unusual for a manufacturer to be excited about, working directly with you, but definitely don't hesitate to reach out, and we'd love to coach you through any questions you have during your project. So that's it. Once you have your flooring installed, the next step is just care and repair. And obviously with a Steller floor, it's a lot easier to make sure that those planks keep looking nice throughout their lifetime. We recommend that you don't even need really to keep flooring planks in your closet in your attic. We keep your stain formula on file and can easily send you replacement planks if needed. However, a lot of our clients are often just taking planks that are damaged and hiding them under the couch and pulling planks from under the couch and putting them out in the middle of the floor. So it's really easy to care and repair our planks, and arguably you may never need to refinish corners of the room you never walked on. So that's a really exciting step that you can take with a Steller floor that pretty much no other flooring option has available. So I'm really excited that we've been able to simplify the flooring project experience overall and sort of tell you about those details. If you like content like this, like and hit subscribe, and we'll definitely keep making content about hardwood floors.